Welcome to this curriculum video about the Software Design and Development course offered by the Computer Science Department. My name is Tim Milkins and I'm the Head of Department for the talented, dynamic and professional Computer Science faculty at Barker. Within our faculty, we possess a diverse range of knowledge and expertise, and together we work to deliver real-world, authentic learning experiences that are responsive to emerging technologies and syllabus requirements. Software Design and Development, or SDD for short, is one of two HSC courses available to study from the Computer Science Department. The second course, Information Processes and Technology, or IPT, is focused on the development of systems using technology. When it comes time to choose your electives, it is possible to elect to study both SDD and IPT courses, or just choose one or the other. These courses, though different, are complementary and share many of the same or similar skills.
My name is Sue Ellen Lockhead and I'm one of the Software Design and Development teachers. Software Design and Development is a project-based course that emphasises the value of design, coding and project management. Students learn different approaches to manage software development and implementation. Coding is fundamental and students will develop advanced skills throughout the duration of the course.
Hi, my name is Lael Grant and I also teach the Software Design and Development course. One of the really exciting aspects of the course is that it caters for all levels of programming ability. Students who are interested in problem solving usually enjoy thinking logically and enjoy learning to write code. Beginners are introduced to the Java programming language using a supportive programming environment. Their coding skills quickly flourish. This is a really rewarding part of the course. Students who begin Year 11 with prior experience and advanced coding skills are able to extend themselves with complex projects and refine their programming practice to be more elegant and efficient. Our Year 12 students have been working on a software project, and they're going to introduce something of what they've been working on now.
Let me just demonstrate the functionality of my program. So, if we input a polynomial like this, notably it doesn't actually matter where the spaces are here, let's just put in a few sporadic spaces. Inputting a polynomial like this, firstly if we click find roots, it will simplify this. In this case, this polynomial simplified to 4x cubed plus 8x squared plus 4x. And now if we go on to any of these three methods of solution, we'll see that it has 5 different steps for showing how you solve these with this different method. So for completing the square, for factorization, and by using the quadratic formula.
If you want directions to the nearest bubblers from the kiosk you're at, just tap Amenities and then tap the relevant key in this submenu, Bubblers. A red arrow will indicate the current direction you are facing and which way you should turn to begin your guidance. Also shown is a helpful image of your destination as well as its name and department.
Simulation selection. So you select the simulation that you want. You can click Help and it will open up the user manual, but we don't want that because I wrote the user manual. So from here, let's pick the electric field simulation. So now we can put that in full screen and we can left click to add an electron and say right click to add a proton.
Students are involved in planning solutions using algorithms that they test for errors prior to coding solutions. Interface design and communication skills are studied along with considerations involved in the maintenance of the solution.
The assessments are heavily weighted towards practical tasks, including the development of simple programs and associated documentation, including a user manual and help documentation. The HSC examination is a written task containing multiple choice questions and a range of short answer questions. There are no essay-style answers required in this course. There are no major projects requiring external submission to NESA. All assessments are marked by teachers here at school. Students have the opportunity to work on their projects during class time, enabling the teacher to check on the progress and stumbling blocks that may be hindering progress. A typical lesson in software design and development would contain either theory concepts that are presented and related to practical programming procedure, or a programming activity designed to reinforce a theory concept or develop students' programming skills.
What I've enjoyed the most about software probably is the fact that it's not just another subject where you're just straight learning the theory and then doing nothing with it. In software, we're using our knowledge about programming to actually create a major project, and I think that the opportunity to do that is really something special. It's the opportunity to create something out of the things you've learned and use these skills to do something that you're passionate about.
I enjoy most about software is learning the theoretical aspect behind the software development. So learning how people in the actual career use these processes to make and implement games or other software devices.
So what I enjoyed most about software is probably like it made me think. So of all the subjects that I do, I was allowed to choose something which kind of was a little bit harder than like normally what you get tested on. And so I got to do something that I was interested in, but also that kind of like I was allowed to explore something slightly kind of that extended me.
I think that software skills in particular are more and more in demand the further we go into the future, particularly in areas such as robotics and programming, which are slowly becoming integral to every single field and jobs. And just the ability to program anything, I think, is really crucial going forwards.
Even if you don't choose a software career in the future, the skills of teamwork and collaboration, which you definitely pick up on in the subject, will help you in most of your careers, whether it be in business, in drama.
In the future, I really think universities are looking for people who have skills in this subject, and even if you don't do a software subject, I think the skills that you learn in algorithm design and critical thinking are really useful in the future.
What I'd recommend, if any students want to learn something which is going to have a discernible impact in their future, or do something in school which isn't just for the sake of learning theory, but actually for doing something practical which you can enjoy, I'd really recommend software.
If you are interested in studying engineering, particularly any computer science courses at university, or considering entry into the IT industry, we would strongly recommend taking this course of study. The concepts in the course are applicable across all areas of computer science.
The STD course is a brilliant course for students wanting to learn to design and develop computer programming skills. It is a great step into the computer science field and progresses well into university. I hope this information has helped you understand the STD course. If you have any questions, please read the course information sheet, the FAQs, or feel free to contact me via email. Thank you for listening.